Hey guys, my name is Subha and I will show you how you can quickly create this simple addition worksheet using Google Slides. As you can see, I have created a very simple page that is 8.5 into 11 inches and I have added a title adding numbers 1 to 20. Then I have added a row of simple addition problems. These are the 5 columns and currently I have created 2 rows and I will be creating 4 more rows to go on this page and it will complete my simple worksheet. In this video I will show you the step-by-step process so that you can create yourself as well. So first of all you can go to Google Slides. By the way, you can also create this using PowerPoint. The process is very same. You can simply Google it or you can go to this link docs.google.com/presentation or you can simply search Google Slides, click on the first link and then you will be here on this page. Here you can click on blank presentation. Just rename this worksheet 1 to 20. Okay, Control A and get rid of all these. Then you need to change the layout. Go to File and then scroll down, page setup, select custom. Make sure this is selected in inches. 8.5 into 11 inches. Click apply and here you will have a very simple blank page here. You can use the zoom options here. You can zoom for 75% like this. Zoom in and zoom out using this one. So I'm going to currently fit on the page. Then I will hide this menu. Then I will go to view and click on guides, show guides. The idea is to add a margin that would be 0.5 inches all around. Hover over this margin and move it here to 0.5 inches. While holding the control key from your keyboard, hover over this already selected margin, drag this and it will duplicate the margin here on 8 inches. Similarly, take your cursor here, hold the control key from your keyboard and drag and place here. Then simply drag this down to the bottom at 10.5 inches. Now we have our page ready and we have our margins ready. That would be fine for Amazon KDP. Go to the zoom button first of all. Make sure we are viewing a large page here. You can also use the F11 key to view the full screen. Now we go to insert and insert a text box. Add a couple of spaces like this. Then add any number like 15. Hit enter, write plus, add a couple of spaces, then add the second digit like 9. Then you need to go here, add a couple of spaces here to align them. Then place your cursor here just after 9. Press enter from your keyboard. While holding the shift key, click the minus button from your keyboard and it will add a very simple line just after 9 like this. Now we have created very first text box. Just to reduce the size like this. You can also reduce the font size plus you can adjust the spacing here. Now we have added our very first addition problem here. All you need to do is select this text box, Ctrl plus D from your keyboard and it will duplicate this. Here you need to change the values only. Delete the first digit. Here I can write 3. Select this, Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Place it here. Write 8. Then use the space bar to align them. Here you can delete this and write 5. Select this text box. Ctrl plus D to duplicate. And here you can write 18. And here you can write 15. Then you can select this, Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Place it here. And here you can change it to 1 only, space, add space in front of this. Here you can write 5. So we have our 5 text boxes. All you need to do is just arrange them. Select all of these, then go to arrange. First of all go to align middle, then go back to arrange. Then you can go to distribute and distribute horizontally. Again select all of these, go to format, go to arrange again and click on group. So simply select this here so that all the problem are selected, not one. Select toward the top or you can select this way. So when all addition problems are selected, Ctrl plus D from your keyboard to duplicate and then just simply drag here and simply change the values. Like you can write 20 here, here you can write 2, creating the first line was difficult, the second would be very easy. Here you can write 4, here you can write 9, here you can write 1, here you can write 19, and here you can write 13, you can write 10, delete spacing from the top to a line, and here you can write 7. So we have our second column here. Simply Ctrl plus D to duplicate, place here and change the values only. Now to align these, select all of these, go to arrange again, align center, then go to arrange again, distribute vertically, and it would be arranged vertically on the page. Now move them a bit down, add a title here, go to insert text box, drag a text box here. Here you can write adding numbers 1 to 20, bold this, increase the size to 20, and then click on these 3 dots, align the text to center, then align this to center as well and move it up here. Now we have added our title and we have added our math problems here. Just keep duplicating and keep changing the problems here. Like you can write 2, here you can write 12, remove the spacing, add spacing here, add spacing here. Okay. Similarly, you can change this one. You can write 7 here, add spacing in front of this. Here you can write 14, delete spacing here, add plus here, add spacing again, add spacing here. In this way you can quickly create very simple addition problems here. So this is the, I think, very simple and quickest way to create addition worksheets or subtraction worksheet inside Google Slides. You can do the same process inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Now once you have finished creating your first page, you can add up to 5 columns and 6 rows on the first page. Simply click here, Ctrl plus D to duplicate, and it will duplicate the page here. All you need to do is change the values on the second page. This could take time and you will be able to create addition worksheets using Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want a quickest page, then you can also check out the Math Worksheets Generator. Let me show you. I am here inside Math Worksheets Generator and I will show you how to quickly create addition worksheets in a matter of minutes. So on the top you can see the addition, and there is subtraction, multiplication. There are a lot of other problems you can create using Math Worksheets Generator depending upon the version. In the front end you can create addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The other math problems are included in the other upgrades. Go to the setting page first of all, and here we can create the page size that is already 8.5 into 11 inches. Page numbering, you can enable page 1 and page starts at 1, and central line the number. Here you can add the margins. I want to add 0.5 margins all around. Okay, here 0.5, and from the saddle, that is the inside margin, I can change it to a bit larger to 0.75 here. Show margins here, click update and it will show me the margins here. This is the bigger margin, and if I duplicate this page, it will create, if I clone this page, it will create a second page with the margin on the opposite side. That is great feature inside Math Worksheet Generator. We will be creating simple addition worksheets using this. Simply go to 25 zone here, and here you can drag a text box on the top, write the same title here, like adding numbers 1 to 20. Select all and reduce the size to something 38 or 32. Center line the text box here, also drag it to center line. Now we have our title here. Then we can go to the view mode and select the type of addition problem you want to create. Just click here. It will quickly add the whole worksheet on the page. Just you can reduce its size, place it here and just reduce the size here. You can also change the font size. You can also change the spacing, like grid width should be a bit larger so that it's not cutting from the edge. Change grid width here. Now everything is okay. Reduce the size and increase the width again, and reduce it here so that everything is well on the page and nothing is missing. Increase the size to 16. Then we can simply drag it down like this. You can add more number of columns or reduce number of columns, add more rows, and you can do a lot of things. Once you have created very first page, you can simply clone this page and it will quickly create the second page, and everything would be changed on the second page. The problems would be automatically changed on the second page. Simply you can keep duplicating and create math worksheets and workbooks in a matter of minutes. I want to create 5 pages and I will also show you how to create solution for that. We have quickly created 5 addition worksheets. Here you can click on the show solution button and generate solutions, and it will quickly generate the solutions for you. So solutions are created here. This is the solution page. Just click back onto the default collection and just scroll down. You will see that the solution pages are already added. So this is the fastest way to create math worksheets and math workbooks for kids and for adults, and you can sell them on Teachers Pay Teachers on Etsy, or you can download, create as a workbook and sell on Amazon. Download as PNG, as JPG, as PDF. This option is for pro version only. Simply click this and download it as PDF. So we will go to our default collection and we will see this is very simple math workbook. I do the same for my math workbooks to publish on Amazon KDP. This was a step-by-step video for me for creating addition worksheets using Google Slides, and I also provided you the alternative solution for quickest results. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and do check out my next video in which I have shown more details about this math worksheet generator. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.